can you interconnect a key between a necklace?
Okay, so that's a good question. So let me explain the question, what he's asking, so we'll be all us on the same page. So in a case, in an area when there is no Eruv, and one of the Torah is prohibition on Shabbos, you're not allowed to carry what? Nothing, right? So what you're allowed to do, like clothing, right? It's not considered really carrying. It's allowed. Some things that prevent your dignity, right? So we save you from elements, which is clothing and other things, and something like something that you need for medical needs, like to cover like dressings to cover your wound or something. That's also, it's not considered be carrying, like a bandage or something, right? Even though it's foreign item, it's not part of the clothing, but it would be said that to cover the wound, no problem. And the third category is some decoration. So if some decoration. So for it's easier to say for a woman, right? Because women they do wear necklaces even on a weekday, and if she would get new necklace, most probably she's going to wear. But if she's going to wear with a key in there, with this ugly key that from the pocket, I don't know. I don't think so, right? And men usually don't wear the necklaces. So it's not, so you cannot put like we used to when we used to be a kid, so and not to lose the key. So the parents would put on a piece of like a ribbon or something and put you on your neck, like make it shorter, so to make sure that you don't lose the key, right? Especially in the summer when had summer vacation. Yeah, you understand? So that's 100% carrying, 100% would not be allowed. But what people do, they maybe I take my belt. 1 second. So here's my belt, right? So what they do, they cut the belt like in the middle, somewhere. I mean, in any place they want, and they insert 2 rings, and between these 2 rings they put a key. So technically this key is needed, so the belt would function. Otherwise, without the key in the middle, the whole belt is going to fall off. You understand? So when you insert like the key like this, yeah, it's for some need. You understand? Or some people do like tie clip with a belt. But today people don't usually do that. Why? One of the explanations, we have a digital key, digital locks, and it's like mechanical digital locks. So and where we live, it's very not expensive. Are they reliable? I don't know. Don't ask me if they're reliable, but at least like a second lock, you can use it for Shabbos for sure. So it's like you press the buttons and that's it. That's what people do. Or they have a third option, what we use. We don't have this digital lock, but we have this padlock, like as a storage. So also with the wheels, like numbers, you like 4-digit or 5-digit number, and you put it somewhere on a metal pole or something, and you hide your key in there. So that's the. But on a necklace, it's not going to. For women, even for women would not wear this. Okay.
So only women are allowed to use in between a necklace?
Yeah, men usually don't wear men usually don't use the jewelry, unless some people would use. I saw like not religious one, but on the modern side they would use like the bracelet or chain, or I don't know, like small, like I don't know. I don't look at the women, men, but usually on Shabbos it's proper to wear tie. Like so if it's behind, like it's on your body, it's for sure. It's not for decorative purposes. Like it's hidden. Women they would like necklace like on top of the dress. That's for sure for decoration, but for men for sure it's not. So that's the issue.
So in a necktie, would be allowed to use the same method?
If as I said, if you would use it like a tie clip, So if somebody wants to research tie clip for Shabbos, yeah, that's what they use. Like they make like a tie clip. Again, if you don't have a vest like me, it's not going to like work with me, and I tell you why, right? Because the tie clip, the purpose of the tie clip to keep tie in one place without going back and forth. So I have this vest, so this vest keep the tie in place. So in my case, it's out of the question. So it must be like for decorative purposes or practical purposes, like I show on a belt. You cut the belt in the middle, put two rings, right? Between these two rings, you put the key. So key join the belt together. That would be kosher option. And if you want, again, what I said, you can go and type on Google Shabbos belt, and you're going to get results. You're going to see of course they sell these things. I mean, I just show how to make it cheaper, like by yourself, but they sell these things.